Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check the Coinbase deposit status in Coinbase in 2026. Are you waiting for deposit to show up in Coinbase? Here's how to check your deposit status step by step just by following these few simple steps. So let's get started. Before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you'd like to join this platform, you're gonna either choose to access it via the website, which is coinbase.com, so make sure to type it in your web browser, or you can access it via downloading the app on both mobile devices, iOS devices, and Android devices. You can find the Coinbase application in the store. Once you finish downloading the app or you access the website, you're going to click on sign in or sign up and choose your accounts or create new accounts. Once you finish setting up your account, after that, you're going to log into your account. Now, right after you log into your account, you're going to tap the assets at the bottom of the screen, or you're going to select the transactions in the navigation bar. Now, once you do that, you're going to select the crypto or cash balance. You're going to choose the assets you're checking, and then you're going to check the deposit or the transaction history. You're going to scroll down to the recent transactions here, as you can see. Any open order will be displayed under the open order section, and all completed orders will be displayed under the months in which the order was executed. We're going to view this all in the transaction in the navigation bar, transaction section. After that, you can filter them by type, status, and assets or date. Make sure to choose status. Then you're going to select a transaction to view further details such as reference, code, payment methods, or fees. Alternatively, you can download monthly transaction statements in account statements. Now, once you scroll down to the recent transactions, you're going to find your deposit and then you're going to tap on it. And you see whether it's pending, completed, or failed. For crypto deposits, you may also see network confirmations. Now, crypto deposits can take time depending on network congestions. More confirmations usually mean more security. And that's how you check your Coinbase deposit status. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.